I'm Dave Pozsgai with Ayers Basement Systems, and I'm a system design specialist in Mishawaka, Indiana. I assess and inspect people's homes, their basements, crawl spaces, and create solutions to rectify the problems they have in those areas. I really enjoy taking difficult, unusable spaces and integrating them into comfortable places in the rest of the person's home. My most memorable moment so far is offering great peace of mind to a customer that can sleep at night now, knowing that she has the peace of mind that her basement's not going to be flooding the next thaw or the next heavy rain. Oh, I love to take my 5-pound Yorkie kayaking with me and my wife. We have an ocean-style kayak, and I also love to golf.